Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Tuesday, October the 9th, 2018. Well, let's take a look and see what happened with the markets today, and we're going to go ahead and start with the Qs, and you can see here we do have a green candle. The only problem is we were headed up, and then we were rejected and it pulled back. So even though we do have a gain, it is a rejection candle. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens. We did have this big tail yesterday, so now we have a big topping tail today, or topping wick. So we'll just keep an eye on this market, but it's looking somewhat precarious. The spiders, we have a big doji candle, basically opened where it closed. It did gap down, so that is down for the day. It is under the 50-day moving average here, so it's going to be interesting to watch that one as well. Now the diamonds, a doji candle here too, and closed down from yesterday. And the IWM, probably the toughest one here, is resting right on the 200-day moving average. The 20 has crossed the 50, so lots of signs that we're in trouble or potential trouble. So it's going to be very interesting over the next few days. So, the mixed close today, and moving on to Holly. We had the Holly Grail, 19 trades, lost 99 cents. And the Holly and the risk on mode, she lost $1.23. So, Holly Grail struggled. Holly 2.0 had 51 cent profit on 19 trades. $2.15 risk on profit. So the Holly 2.0 did fairly well, and Holly Neo had 22 trades, lost 83 cents. Risk on, she did manage to make 31 cents. So the way it boiled down to for today, 60 total trades, a loss of $1.31, risk on profit of $1.23. And we'll take a look to see if there's any exciting trades within there. And we can see here a short trade, AEE. She made 31 cents, so that was nothing to write home about. And on the risk on, 68 cents on ORVO. And that was a long trade. So that is Holly Grail's trades, Holly 2.0. And this is the one she did better. We had 95 cents was the best on SEE. It was a short trade, made 41 cents on the actual trade. Risk on was 95. She got out for a timed exit. And like we always talk about, it's man with machine. So, Holly gave you the entry. You can pick the exit. If this is looking good like that there's no reason to get out of it. So you could have rode that a little bit further. And that was the best in both categories. Now we'll go ahead and move on to Neo and see what we had there. We had a long trade BKE, 26 cents profit, no big deal there. And the risk on profit was a short bond shorty, FTCH, 66 cents, but she got out for a 3-cent loss on reduced risk. And then the trade kicked in, and we do see this a lot with some of the, and it seems like especially the short trades when she's trying to pick the top on them. So once again, if you'd have used your abilities with Holly, you could have made 66 cents there. And with the way the markets have been looking, I just want to remind you about our free ebook. You could go to this link right here. I'll put that in the YouTube videos. All you got to do is click on that and put your email in, and we'll send you a download to it. We're going to give you some strategies and things to do in a down market when the BTFD no longer works. And we've seen a lot of that lately where they have been buying it, bringing the markets back up, and that may or may not continue. And regardless of if it does or not, there's a lot of short trades that are producing a lot of good money. So check that out so that you're got some expertise in how to handle those short trades. You can always follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, would appreciate the thumbs up there. Give me a little like. Maybe share it with some friends. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the video so you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.